Hi Zulily fans, my name is Sam. I'm here with my friend Mallory. We have a really cool DIY project we are super excited to share with you guys. Mallory, what are we doing today?
So we are gonna make these great basket lights, which are so fun. You just kind of have to first find the great basket that you love that kind of goes with your house and your style, and it's really fun. And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do once you find your perfect basket is you're gonna wanna kind of, as you can see here, cut a hole in it. You will want to see, like, as you can see, there's these four kind of like cross prongs here. You want to make sure you don't cut the really thick wire part that's the base of the basket, so you kind of don't have it fall apart. Yeah. And some will only have one or two, so you just gotta kind of have to decide on your basket.
Yeah, that definitely helps stabilize it, right?
No. So then next we are going to take your like hanging light, and you are just going to string it through. You can kind of help me.
Yeah. And I feel like this is great because you can use any shaped basket. If you're feeling a little adventurous, maybe a bird cage.
Yes, a bird cage would be so fun.
Yeah.
Just, I mean, you can, if you're crazy, you can even, you could probably paint this and have a little fun with it.
Oh yeah,
too.
for sure. I could see like polka dots or stripes or something on this.
And then, so when you do this too, when you have this, sometimes they can be lopsided and the light bulb can kind of come through. So a quick trick to do for that is you're just gonna wanna kind of create a loop and go through another side. And we will just string the light bulb through that.
And this helps stabilize it too with those prongs, right, when you have it hanging. Perfect.
Let me see if I can get it.
It's a great idea. And it's almost like a little knot that you're going to be doing too with the light bulb.
And so it just kind of creates that, and now, voila, you have your hanging lights.
So
which
cool.
is so fun.
And we have a little example over here too.
Which is great, so you can kind of see the idea of a finished product. You can even see here, we did more of a square basket, so it's really fun. You can have a lot of fun with these.
Yeah, definitely. You can even have like maybe 3 or 4 different separate hanging ones for a really bohemian look. So yeah, we love this idea. And you guys make sure to check out decor and baskets on Zulily so you can create your very own hanging basket light. Thanks so much. Happy shopping.